Have you ever noticed how your energy drops suddenly, even after a full night's sleep? Have you felt tired after just sitting for a while, wondering why your body feels heavy even though you haven't done anything strenuous? Most people immediately think it's their heart, their diet, or even stress. But what if the real cause is something most of us completely ignore? Something I like to call your second heart. Your second heart isn't in your chest. You can't hear it beating or see it pumping. It's actually in your calves. Yes, the muscles in the back of your legs play a role almost as important as your heart. These muscles are amazing little pumps that push blood back up to your heart every time you walk, stretch, or move your legs. Think about it. Your heart sends blood out, but gravity wants to pull it back down. Your calves are there to fight gravity, to squeeze the blood upward, to keep oxygen and nutrients moving through your body efficiently. Without them working properly, your circulation slows down. You might feel sluggish, tired, or even lightheaded. Imagine sitting at a desk all day. You're typing, scrolling, focusing on work. Hours pass by, and suddenly your legs feel heavy. You might even feel your mind foggy or your body stiff. That's your second heart asking for attention. When it's inactive, blood pools in your legs, circulation slows, and your heart has to work harder to keep your body fueled. Over time, ignoring it can affect your energy, your mood, and even your overall health. Here's the good news. It doesn't take long to wake it up. You don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or hours of exercise. You just need 1 minute. That's it. Stand up. Rise onto your toes. Feel the stretch and squeeze in your calves. Then slowly lower your heels. Repeat this motion for 60 seconds. This tiny, simple movement activates your calf muscles, wakes up your second heart, and sends blood flowing like it should. Your legs will feel lighter, your mind sharper, and your body more energized. Many people underestimate the power of their calves. We focus on cardio, weights, and diets, but we forget that these small muscles do heavy lifting for our circulatory system every single day. They work silently, tirelessly, and when they stop, we feel the effects almost immediately. Even elite athletes pay attention to calf strength because they know how much it impacts endurance, performance, and recovery. Yet most of us ignore them until problems arise. Now, let's talk about the science behind it, but in simple terms. When you move your calves, the muscles compress the veins in your legs. That compression forces blood back toward your heart. Your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood upward. Oxygen reaches your brain faster. Nutrients reach your muscles faster. Toxins and waste products are carried away efficiently. The result is a body that functions smoother, a mind that feels clearer, and a heart that's healthier because it's not overworked. You don't need to do anything fancy. You don't need to jump or run. Even small, consistent movements work. Flexing your feet while sitting, walking around your room, stretching your calves after long periods of sitting, all of it counts. It's simple, but it's powerful, and that's why I call it a 1-minute move that changes everything. Because in just 60 seconds, you can activate a system that affects every part of your body. Think about the implications. If your second heart is working properly, you'll feel more energetic during the day. You'll recover faster from fatigue. You'll improve your posture, your circulation, and your overall physical resilience. Over time, this simple habit can reduce the risk of serious health problems like varicose veins, blood clots, or heart strain. And the best part? You're not just protecting your legs, you're supporting your whole body. Here's another way to understand it. Imagine your body is a city. Your heart is the main power plant, pumping life-giving energy everywhere. But the roads leading out of the plant can rely solely on the power plant to push the energy forward. The streets need smaller pumps, local systems that keep traffic moving efficiently. That's exactly what your calves do. They're the local traffic system for your blood. When they stop working, traffic jams happen. Energy slows down. Fatigue sets in. By taking just a minute to activate them, you open the streets again and keep your city running smoothly. You might be thinking, just 1 minute? That can't make a difference. But it does, and the difference grows the more consistently you do it. It's not about intensity. It's about activating your system regularly. Every time you stand, every time you stretch, every time you rise on your toes, you remind your body how to circulate efficiently. It's almost like giving your second heart a little wake-up call. It's also important to notice how this simple habit impacts your mental clarity. Proper circulation means oxygen reaches your brain faster. You'll think more clearly, react more quickly, and feel less stressed. Have you ever felt sluggish after sitting for a long time and noticed your thinking feels slow? That's exactly what happens when your second heart isn't active. By taking a moment to move your calves, you're not just boosting physical energy, you're boosting mental energy too. This habit is small, but its effects compound. Imagine doing it multiple times a day, especially after long periods of sitting. Your legs will feel lighter. Your posture will improve. Your energy will stabilize. You'll even sleep better because your circulation has been improved and your body feels balanced. It's amazing how something so simple can have such a profound impact on your entire body. And here's a final thought. The power to change your energy, your health, and your overall well-being is literally at your feet. You don't need a gym membership, a personal trainer, or a complicated routine. You need awareness. You need consistency. You need to stop ignoring your second heart. Just 1 minute, a few times a day, and you can transform how your body feels, how your mind works, and how your heart functions. So the next time you feel sluggish, tired, or just a little off, remember your calves. Give them attention. Stand up, rise onto your toes, drop your heels, and repeat. That simple act wakes up your second heart, restores your circulation, and sends energy flowing through your entire body. Small moves create big change, and your second heart is proof of that. Your body is incredibly smart. It's waiting for you to help it function at its best. Don't ignore the system that's working silently, tirelessly for your well-being every single day. Activate your second heart, and you'll feel the difference in ways you didn't even know you were missing.